Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've filmed. I missed you guys. I've actually just filmed another look, which is this look right here. So if it's out, I will leave a link to it up here. But if it's not out, it will be coming out soon. And in that video, of course, I mentioned how much I miss you guys and how crazy the world is right now. So if this is like a repeat for you guys, I'm really, really sorry. But I just want to say that I miss you guys because this is the first video that is going out since I posted my last video weeks ago, and it's just because I've been traveling and then the world got crazy. So we are still stuck in quarantine. I do have work, so it is difficult for me as well because I work in a medical setting, so I have to have my masks and I have to, you know, just wash my hand a million times and I have to sanitize everything. So I am starting to have skin peeling off of my hands because of how much I'm washing it. And yeah, it's a tough time right now for everyone, and I know we'll all get through it. So please guys, if you can, please stay home. I wish I can stay home and you know, not have to go out there, but I am grateful to have a job, and I know a lot of people right now are laid off. It is just a very hard time for a lot of people. So whether you're staying home or going to work, it is a hard time. So I'm sending love to you guys, and I'm just taking it one day at a time. Hopefully everything will be over soon and we can go back to normal and we can go and see our families and our friends. Keep positive vibes and things will one day be okay. You have to believe that to keep going, right? But until then, I'm going to bring you guys some videos. I'm sorry I've been absent. I've just been trying to get back to normal as I can be. So one of the normal things for me is filming videos for you guys, and I love doing this. So I hope you guys continue watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys like my content. Please check out my other videos, and yeah, I hope this video brings you guys some joy. So talking about joy, this is actually one of my favorite videos to film because it's when I get my confetti collections. And if you haven't seen any of my other confetti collections, I do have, I think, a playlist of it, but there are so many videos on my channel. I think this is probably my fourth one, but I enjoy these boxes. It's a subscription that's bi-monthly, so it has all these novelty items, giftable items, and it's very exciting when I get them. So Confetti Collections was kind enough to send me one again, so I want to show you guys what I have. So this is the box that it comes in. As you guys know, you always see this box, and I'm very excited to see all the goodies because I've gotten some really, really good stuff with Confetti Collections, so I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get right into it and see what I got. This is an April-May box. Usually I would have gotten it in May, but I got it in April. I did get it a while ago, but I sanitized it and I kept it aside for a while just to make sure that everything was safe for me to show you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it and see all the goodies because I can really use a pick-me-up. So hopefully they have some exciting stuff in this box. So already I see something that is outside the box, so I'm just going to put that aside. And the whole collection, oh, they added the little stuff with it. Usually it's just this, and they don't keep this stuff. They keep this separately, but it's no big deal. So let me tell you guys something. I love DIYing stuff, and I love coming up with cool ways to use things. So I have been kind of crazy doing nails for a while now. Like if I see something cool, I want to get it, and I do my own nails all the time anyways. So I've been looking for kind of like a, I don't know if it would be called halo, I'm not sure, but like a really cool type of paper foil to put on my nails, and I actually have some in here. This is the first time I've used it, so it could look a little better, but I don't know if you guys can tell right here, but it has like a little bit of like a shine to it. And it will look better, I think, if I did it on a different nail, but it looks really, really cool. And it kind of goes with the color that I have going on. It has a little bit of like an iridescent look to it with some pink. And I've been looking for this foil. I know, long story, but I've been looking for this foil on Amazon and everything, and I just could not find what I was looking for. And then I realized the Confetti Collections actually gives like little foils with their little crinkly stuff. And so guys, this thing right here was pretty much what I was looking for. And because I do gel nails, it kind of just sticks. And look how pretty that is. It just kind of reflects really beautifully in the light. And that's what I used on my nails. So long story short, this is great for nails, like for cool designs and stuff. So I did use that. Like if you just kind of just put it over your nails, you just gotta cut a little piece. I think I just need to like flatten it a little bit so it's not so curved, but like you can use it for your nails. Like how cute would that look? Just a little idea. It's really, really pretty, you guys. So if you do get Confetti Collections, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I thought I'd just add that because I really did have a good use for that. And it looks so pretty on my nails. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So everything is in here. So the first item that I have that was on the outside, let's just go ahead and get into that, is I am hoping that I get a lot of like springy looking stuff because I totally love spring. So this is, it looks like a sippy cup and it says Bloom Baby Bloom. It's really, really cute. It has little daisies, I believe those are, and it's just a cute little sippy cup. So let me see. Oh yeah, so you just open it like this. So you can use it as a wine glass. I feel like a lot of people can use this right now. So yeah, it's a little sippy cup. But also you can use it for your kids. So this is the card that comes with the package and it says write it down. Usually it says surprise, but yeah, so I guess the theme is writing, so it's a lot of writing stuff. Usually they do actually give a lot of writing stuff. I've gotten journal books and I've gotten little notebooks and things like that. So yeah, it says a journal for your desk and one to carry with you. Use them to capture your dreams, goals, and moments of gratitude. I feel like a lot of people are trying to get into journaling, which I actually think is a good idea. I was never a diary person, or I don't journal. I'm still not very good at it, but I try. But it's nice to get up in the morning and start your day, you know, with one of the things that you do for the beginning of your day is to journal. Like write down what you're grateful for, write down what you hope for, and especially, if anything, write down what you're grateful for, because the more that you're grateful for the things that you have, the more you receive and the more you learn to appreciate life. So journaling, I think, is a great idea. So if you can, get a little notebook, or if you have Confetti Collections, you get a little notebook and just write stuff down. Just keep it by your bed and just write stuff down every day. And then you start to realize more of the things that you have and how grateful you should be and how blessed you are. So that's a good idea. If you are thinking that you're going a little crazy right now, this is a good time to just write down your thoughts. As silly as it seems, just keep it to yourself and just write it down, you know? All right, so let's go right in. So I do have these two items that look a little Christmassy actually, and they are gift card holders. But I will tell you, the boxes are really, really cute. So the design has a little dot and a bow, and it's like give a gift. It's like a gift card thing, but I really like the white box. I love the design on the white box. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like a little embossed designs, geometric designs. It's really, really cute. So yeah, this will be great for actually Christmas. I feel like I'm getting a lot of like Christmassy vibes with this. But yeah, it's great. A lot of people do gift cards now because everybody is an online shopper, or you know, you just don't know what people want sometimes, so it's better to just give a gift card. Alright, so the next item I have is a ceramic magnet frame set, which I think is really, really cute. So it comes in this cute little box. I love all the little, I feel like Confetti Collections is just so cute. They have a lot of cute items. Okay, so these are ceramic frames, and they have magnet in the back, so you can just put it on your fridge or anywhere, and you just put your picture in here. So yeah, that's what that looks like. It's really, really, really cute. Oh, look, my eye. So yeah, those are those two. They're really adorable. whenever you go to weddings, you get those little photo booth pictures. I feel like these would be nice for that because they're like almost like that size. So the next item I have is a little notebook, I believe, and this is by C.R. Gibson. Frames are also by C.R. Gibson. A lot of the items are from C.R. Gibson. This is from Seastone, I think. It's a Give a Gift by Seastone. Alright, so this is a little notebook and it says life is lovely. I love this color. It really matches my eyeshadow. And in gold it says life is lovely. This can be great for you to use yourself, or it's basically just a little notebook. So this is something you can take on the go if you want to write down things that you're grateful for. It's great for like a gift box or a little gift basket if it's like a teacher or anybody who likes to write, actually a writer. So this will be nice for that. And we have a notepad with a magnet on the back, and I love these colors. Now see, these are more springish. I think just those two gift card holders are very Christmassy, but this looks very spring. So yeah, that looks nice. Look at it, it has beautiful little colors. So you can put this on the refrigerator. Nowadays, when you go grocery shopping, you should definitely write it on a piece of paper because you do not want to touch your phone while you're there because you're touching other things. Hopefully you're wearing gloves, but you're touching other things. You don't want to touch your phone as well because then you're contaminating it. So it's great to write things on a piece of paper. Now grocery shopping is something you have to really think about before you go, so that you go in and you get exactly what you need and then you get out of there. So then you can just throw the paper out and you don't have to worry about grabbing your phone. So this is actually perfect for that. You don't realize how much your life changes with something like this. Okay, so these are handmade birthday cards. This is so cute. Okay, so there are 3 of them. And the first one says happy, happy, happy. It looks like it's hanging off of something. It's really cute, and it's like gold glitter, and it says happy, happy, happy. And that's what the envelope looks like. And then the second one is like this silver whitish glitter, and it just says happy birthday. I like that too. It's really pretty. It's very simple, so cute. And that's what the envelope looks like. How adorable! These are so nice. Alright, and then the last one, of course, is so pretty, and it's all glitter, and it says make a big wish, and that's really nice. So yeah, these are really cute, you guys. And that's how the envelope looks. How adorable. So so for this one, I'm trying not to open it so that way I can keep it together. But for this one, the message says, wishing you a day filled with cake, presents, and joy. Happy birthday. This one right here says, here's to the best year yet. And then the last one just says happy birthday. So it tells you what it is on the back, so that way if you don't want to open it till you need it, you can keep it that way and you do know what the messages are. So once we can start going to birthdays and things like that, it would be nice to give to someone. So this is the last item, and I love this book because I love how cute the design is. Let me just take it out of the plastic. So this is also by C.R. Gibson. I believe the cards are by C.R. Gibson as well. Alright, so this is a notebook, a pretty sturdy one, and that's how it is on the inside, and it just says this journal belongs to, if found, please call. It's so cute. That's what we used to do when we were younger in elementary school and stuff, like this belongs to so-and-so. But look at the design. How pretty. I love the colors, I love the design, and yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy as in like it's pretty sturdy. It's hardback, and yeah, the lines are perfect. So then this is what I can put by my bedside. I actually have one by my bedside now, so this I shall use after, and it does actually come with a little bookmarker, so that's great. Alright, so those are all the items that I got this time. I think they're all pretty cute. So the April May Confetti Collections is really, really nice. It's a lot of stationery stuff, so if you like books like that and if you like getting cute birthday cards, definitely check out Confetti Collections. I'll leave everything in my description below. I really enjoyed it. This is something that brings me a lot of joy because it's just something for myself and it's just really cute items and I just love cute stuff. So it has really elevated my living space because I have cute stuff on my desk, on my filming station, so everything just looks so nice. And so yeah, if you guys are looking for getting items like this, because they're great for gifts, the boxes are $20 bi-monthly and you get all these cute items. So yeah, this makes me very happy and I really needed this right now. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the items I got. Leave me a comment letting me know which one of these items is your favorite. I kind of have a feeling a lot of people are going to go for this one. And let me know if you guys journal as well. Like, I have recently gotten into it and I enjoy it when I have the time for it, but I am trying to make more time. So yeah, this is like the perfect time for everyone because everyone's home, so you have a little bit more time. So I guess that's something you can do. It really brings forth a lot of gratitude, so that's really important at this time. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. And please guys, stay home if you can, be safe, and I love you guys so much. Bye!